Hello class ninth students. In classroom we have discussed about acceleration due to gravity and universal gravitational constant. In this lecture we will discuss what is free fall and what are the equation of motion of a freely falling body. Now students, firstly we will understand what do we mean by free fall. So students, a body falling towards the center of the earth under the influence of a single force only, which is the gravitational pull of the earth, is said to be a freely falling body. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ के सेंटर की तरफ डायरेक्टेड होता है केवल और केवल एक सिंगल फोर्स ग्रेविटेशनल इन्फ्लुएंस की वजह से, तो इस तरीके की बॉडी को हम फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी कहते हैं और उस समय इस प्रोसेस को फ्री फॉल कहा जाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, if the acceleration due to gravity is same for all bodies, then why does a person without a parachute reach the ground earlier than a parachutist when both fall from the same height? Okay, the answer is quite simple. The acceleration is same for all bodies only when air is not present. In the above case, we do the experiment in the presence of air. The difference is because of air resistance. The air resistance is much more in the case of parachutist as compared to a person without a parachute. If we create vacuum in an enclosed chamber and then drop a stone and a feather simultaneously, we will find that it will fall in a same rate. This is because there is no air resistance. Okay, so what are the equations of motion of a freely falling body? In case of a freely falling body, acceleration of the body is equal to the acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, the equation of motion for freely falling body can be obtained by replacing A by G as follows. Okay, we know that the general equation of motion is V is equal to U plus AT. When we replace A by G, then the equation of motion for free fall is V is equal to U plus GT. The second equation of motion is S is equal to ut plus half at square. If we replace S as h, the height, and a as g, the gravitational acceleration, then our new equation under free fall is h is equal to ut plus half gt square. The third general equation of motion is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. It means that this is a equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. If we replace s as h, then our equation under free fall is v square minus u square is equal to 2ah. Okay students, now the equation of motion under free fall, if u is equal to 0, then the three equation of motion under free fall are: first equation v is equal to gt, second equation is h is equal to half gt square, and the third equation is v square is equal to 2gh. Okay students, there are some rules which will follow when an object is under free fall. If the object is dropped from a height, its initial velocity means u is equal to 0 and the acceleration due to gravity is taken positive. When a object is thrown in upward direction, then at the highest point its final velocity is equal to 0 and acceleration due to gravity is taken negative. So students, I hope you have a better understanding about free fall and the equations under free fall. Thank you very much.